Cripple it.
Bye-bye, couch. That's all I can say. Let me just cut it, probably. There's nothing else there.
A lot of nails.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
It's definitely a lot of nails, so watch yourself.
Sure, you can't just get right through this.
Right to the foul.
Yeah, I know. It's pulling everything out.
Try it again.
You got those
Springs.
Yeah, you got those too.
Too low either.
Yeah.
What did you guys do on Sunday? Oh, we saw the
Here, I'll show you the video. This is what we did.
You got singles? No? Maybe not. I think it has a major issue.
Cut that right
I
off.
think someone's upset with the trailer.
What was he doing?